Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to draw this tortilla chip dancing step by step. Stick around, ridicule! Hi everybody, Sammy Surf here. I'm going to show you how to draw a tortilla chip step by step. You need a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper, and watch what I do, and you do the same thing on your piece of paper. Find the center of your paper, go up a little bit, and we're going to draw a circle on the left and a circle on the right for the eyes. All in favor say aye. Now if you notice, that's what the number 8 does when it goes to sleep at night. Now we're going to draw the pupils in the eyes. A circle on the left and then a circle on the right. Ridicule! Now we're going to draw the tortilla chip. Wiggly lines on the left going at an angle and on the right going at an angle. Oh yeah! Let's draw the bottom of the tortilla chip from the left towards the right. I always like to put a face on my cartoon. Underneath the eyes, we're gonna draw a letter C for the nose. Do you nose the way to San Jose? Bum, ba, bum, bum, bum.
Hi, do you want to see my Capo Toon Time pizza? Here it is. This is my pizza that I drew.
Are you happy when you eat a tortilla chip? I know I am. Let's draw a happy face, a letter U, and then another letter U. Oh yeah! I always like to draw little lines on the sides of the mouth, on the left and then on the right. Next up, we're going to draw the top of the tortilla's head on the left and then on the right, kind of like a wiggly letter V. Let's give our tortilla chip some arms. 2 lines on the left and 2 lines on the right. Oh yeah, remember to practice, practice, practice. Now we're going to draw the fingers. Here's where your math comes into play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers on each hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left. Go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know what to do, right? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Oh yeah! You know I like to say cartoons are simple and silly, so let's give our tortilla chip some legs. We're gonna have the legs bent on the left and then on the right. Oh yeah! Let's draw the feet. A curved line going all the way around, and then another curved line going all the way around. Oh yeah! Can everyone say detail? We're gonna add some detail on our tortilla chip on the right, and then on the left. And then we are going to add some shading, yabba-da-ba-ba-da, yabba-da-bum-ba-dum-ba-da, yum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Hey!
This is my shark.
This is Bluey.
This is my shark.
This is my ice cream. Thank you, Sammy Song.
This is my shark.
Hello? Can everyone say hello? H-E-L-L-O with an exclamation point. Oh yeah! So when you show your cartoon talking, you write the word or the words first, and then you do the speech bubble or the caption going all the way around. Lift your pen or pencil and then draw kind of a curved letter sideways V to show your tortilla chip talking. Oh yeah! We're just about finished with our tortilla chip cartoon. Let's draw some action lines. Can everyone say action lines? Where the arms are and then where the feet are. And it makes it look like your tortilla chip is dancing. Do you guys like to dance? I like to dance. Oh yeah! You just drew this tortilla chip dancing. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. Ratty cool! Virtual high five, virtual high five, virtual high five. Ratty cool!